In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Miro account. If you're new to Miro or looking to get started, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you can easily navigate through the setup. Let's dive in and get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to Miro.com. This is the starting point for creating your Miro account. Once you're on the Miro homepage, look for the Sign Up Free button, which is typically located in a prominent position on the screen. Clicking this will redirect you to the sign up page. Next, you'll need to enter your work email address. Miro requires this to set up your account and ensure you have access to all relevant features. After entering your email, click Continue with Email. This action will prompt Miro to send a confirmation email to the address you provided. Now take a moment to visit your email inbox. You're looking for an email from Miro, which should have arrived by now. Once you locate it, open the email and find the link that says Log into my Miro account. Clicking this link is crucial as it confirms your email and takes you back to Miro to continue the setup process. Upon logging in, you'll be given the option to create a new team. Click on Create a New Team to start defining the collaborative space where you'll work with your colleagues or friends. As part of this setup, you'll also need to name your team. Choose a name that reflects the purpose or the group you plan to work with. To tailor your Miro experience further, you'll be prompted to select the kind of work you do. This customization allows Miro to better cater suggestions and templates suited to your needs. Following that, choose your role within your organization from the available options. This helps Miro adapt your dashboard and tools for your specific tasks and responsibilities. If you're using Miro for the first time, ensure you indicate this. Miro provides onboarding tips and guides for new users to maximize their productivity from the get-go. Additionally, you'll be asked to select the size of your company. Providing this information helps customize your Miro environment accordingly. With your team setup mostly complete, Miro offers several ways to bring others on board. You can copy the provided link and share it directly or enter colleagues' emails to invite them. However, if you prefer to skip this step initially, simply click Skip for now. Once your preliminary setup is done, you're ready to start experimenting in Miro. To do so, click on Start from Scratch, which lets you explore Miro's interface and capabilities without any preset conditions. Lastly, for security purposes, you'll need to set a password for your Miro account. Enter a secure and memorable password, then confirm it by typing it again. Finally, click on Set Password to complete your account creation. That's it, you're now ready to explore and utilize Miro for your projects. Thank you for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials. Happy collaborating!